up for the camera. It's very important. Hey Crispy Tubers, Ben Crisps here with a little safety tip for you. You know, I've been eating a lot of crazy stuff trying to get some of that local flavor, that sabor local, as they like to say. And there are a lot of hazards associated with eating crazy, strange stuff that you find on the ground or that you pull out of a swamp. Every now and then, your body is going to reject something. And once in a while, it's going to be violent and probably not good for you long term. Recently, your boy Ben Crisps here had an incident after attempting to find some local flavor for an episode of Cook Eat Life, where the ensuing catastrophe that occurred in the restroom after the eating portion of the filming of the program, I pulled a muscle in my torso so badly that every time I try to burp, my entire body seizes up. If you attempt to do any of this stuff at home, which I don't think you should do, if you attempt to do any of this stuff at home, you might want to start small. There are many types of pre-ordered strange things or pre-made strange things that are safe to eat. As Jeremy Beard did in a recent episode, he ate a whole lot of bugs. That's pretty gross. Makes me almost want to throw up right now. You see, on Cook Eat Life, we thought we were gonna slowly escalate the disgustingness of what we were gonna be eating, and we've kind of hit the limit already. Like, what do we eat besides bags of bugs and things pulled directly out of the swamp? I don't really have an answer for that, but we'll find a way. This is gonna be a tough episode to do, I think. Well, you should say something next time you want to get a shot. Nobody knows. Dude, get me going over this. Get me going over this real brave.